Hey, I'm at Elzie D Patton Elementary, where they are taking their school announcements to a whole next level. Some fabulous fourth graders are being super creative and broadcasting these announcements to the entire school. And I'm going to tell you, in the mix, we've got some future stars. Let's go check it out.
Good morning, Patriots. Wow, everyone looks so good today.
We interrupt your news feed to bring you this special report.
Well, before we get our picture taken, let's stand for the pledge. Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
This happens daily at Elzie D Patton Elementary.
Today we're on Schedule D and we are wrapping up our lessons about perseverance.
These are EDP's morning announcements.
There are no birthdays today, so instead we were here from a very important guest.
But the prep starts a day in advance in Heidi Vallis's fourth grade classroom.
That's okay. It makes great bloopers. It makes great bloopers at the end. It's all good. It's all good.
Heidi is a brand new teacher to our district, and she joins us from Northern California. And when she moved here, she brought all of her things and plenty of fresh ideas to put some spark in not only her classes, but also taking morning announcements from mundane to magnificent.
About 3 years ago, I took a class on media in the classroom, and it was a week-long course over the summer, and I fell in love with it. I was like, my kids can do this. I am passionate about this. This is so much fun. And then recently I got my master's in innovation and technology in the classroom, which then tied all of this. And with distance learning, all of it just kind of led into, let's get these kids on video. When I moved here to Elzie Patton, they were doing morning announcements over Zoom, and I was like, we can make this better. We can do this better. And so I talked to Mr. Gordon and Dr. Holland, and they were really excited about it, and I kind of just took it over.
She has more than delivered. She's an incredible teacher, and just what she's brought in with this is just incredible. She's what we like to call a runner. She is just going up and beyond every day for these students.
Her students absolutely love getting in front of the camera, and some more than others. Do you want to go on TV and be a broadcaster at some point?
That'd be fun.
Do you think that they make a lot of money?
I don't know.
Do you think that they have a good schedule in TV?
Probably.
These EDP news segments are much more than just about making announcements. It helps with student creativity, valuable tech exposure, teamwork, and of course, improving communication skills.
They're already making video as their fun time, so if I can integrate that and get them excited about doing it for academic purposes. I mean, we make videos on figurative language. They make a video about similes and idioms, and if I can tie it in so that they are excited about learning as well as something they're already doing, and this is the trend, then it's just ideal, and it makes them want to be here.
And who knows, maybe there's a future local or national news anchor within this crew. They seem ready for whatever comes their way. It's just fun.
It's just fun.
What's the best thing about it?
It's only my second time doing it.
Well, you seem like a pro at it. I mean, does anyone tell you how good you are at this?
No.
Well, I am. You did very, very good.
Okay.
And hey, it's not all business on this segment either. They got jokes too.
Why did the alligator wear a vest?
Why?
Because he was an investigator.
As far as this awesome activity that Ms. Vallis started this school year, well, they're just getting started on what she hopes to accomplish in the long term, thanks to much support from the school and LZD's PTO members.
I want it to go out into the community. I want to be able to send kids out to interview businesses, to interview people in the community, and really get the community to tie into Elzie Patton and Elzie Patton to go benefit the community. I would love to just have it be more of a we're a part of this town, and I want to be able to get into classrooms and show what the teachers are doing and highlight things that the kids are excited about.
Oh, and before we go to the weekend commercial break, well, this is the most important piece of news you need to hear.
Be safe.
Be respectful. And be responsible. And have a great day!
I'm Bart Barker with Wilson County Schools.